Welcome to another video, guys, and today we are checking out a 1996 Chevrolet CK 115 Series C1500 Silverado, fully restored. The exterior is gray, interior black cloth, engine 5.7 liter V8 OHV 116 VFI engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive for the drivetrain. My name is Alex, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Yeah, we don't really do too much trucks. I don't think we actually have done a truck. No, we've done a truck once or twice. But if you love trucks, this is the perfect video for you guys. Yeah, let's get into it. What we usually do, we do the exterior, interior, review how comfortable it is, and the gray. We got the gray on the grill, so I think that's pretty cool. And then we have the red and black Chevrolet badge. I really like the paint. I think it's pretty solid. And let me get up. Ugh. But here is what it looks like. Let me kind of get for you guys. I'm in an awkward angle. Let's see. There y'all go. And then you got the wipers right there. Here are the wheels, the SU wheels. I will give you a document of what it has. And totally forgot about to say that on the Corvette too. So yeah, we just reviewed that car. But here are the wheels. Everything, got the brakes right there. And then there's the bed. So it's pretty nice. It's a lower truck, so. And then here are the back with the Chevrolet, with the red badge and the black lettering. And then, let's see if I can pull it down. I know, no, it's not gonna let me. Cool. It's alright. Let's see what the exhausts are. The exhausts are somewhere. It might be further. I can't see them right now. Might be on the side right here. I can't tell, but there's a gas cap. So, let's get on the side. Oh, wow. Looks all fuzzy. We are in. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Here is the steering wheel. The cover on it's kind of coming off. Probably patch it in, but here's what the steering wheel looks like. There's a horn, I'm gonna guess. No, I don't think they have a horn. Do they have like a push? But there's the AC right here, AC controls. No, the blinkers and everything. The light, not blinkers. Gosh dang it, the lighting. So sorry, I'm very tired. Please give me a break. Here's the parking and everything. Emergency parking brake. This is how you get out. This is the unlock and lock button. This does something. The lock button. What is this? This is your, I'm gonna guess, your windows. Yeah, this is your windows button. This controls the windows, like the angle and everything. Here's your little thing that you can't hold on, so good luck. And then you got that to pull your, what's it called? Your hood up, or the back up. No, the hood, yeah. Oh, give me a break, guys. I'm so tired. We got the cloth interior, the finish around. You got the speakers right here. Here's the dash. There's how much RPM, miles per hour. You got your fuel. You got your coolant or your oil, battery, and then temperature. Then this is what you do to, I guess, put in drive and like neutral, park, and stuff. This is what the key looks like. So that's pretty cool. Put it in right there. Buttons are for something. These are probably for something. Not gonna press them. Here's all the dash. So you got, I guess you can put in your, I guess, USB cable. You know what? Modes. This is weird. Let me see. Battery right here. Your aux cord right here. This is for your radio, like loud and soft. You got your DVR microphone. This turn it off and mute, I guess. Back in, turn your what's called decline. You got your AC, how you want it. It just recirculates, cool, warm, and then AC, and then there's the to your face, to the face and you, and to your legs, to your legs and front, and then I guess the front. So, and then you got your CD player, and then more AC over here. You got a little hump right here. That's what the seats look like. You can fit 2 more people right here. You get your cup holders right over here. I don't know what this does, but it's your 2 like to charge your phone. That's pretty cool. Don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see on my screen. Yeah, you can. Cool. You got the AC vent right there, and then this is the glove compartment. So pretty cool. Window. Your unlock button. It shows how it is. Yeah, and then you open this, and then here's your seat belts. So that's pretty cool. My honest opinion about this car, and then you got tinted glass behind you, where you can't see the truck bed. Well, you can see it, but it's not as easy. My honest opinion about this truck, it's kind of nice. I kind of like it. I'd probably get like a 5. Yeah, I'd probably give it like a 5. Sorry if you all can hear that. This Lexus that is right here. Bro, can the bro go? I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey, we're done. But I'd probably give it like a 5, a 4. I don't like the seating really, but if it was in the winter, I'd probably like it. But in the summer, this would suck in Texas. Not gonna lie. Let's get out, and I'll give you my honest opinion. My honest opinion about this car. Sorry if you hear the generator. That is a generator for the power washing. But there it is, the truck. I'd probably give it like a 6. I like that it's lowered and everything, but I wouldn't buy it personally. I'll give it a 4. I'm a bit dizzy right now. Ooh. But go check out RPM Garage. They sell all these cool cards. Link in the description. Go check out my other channels. The Crew, the vlog channel, the Crew Plays, my Minecraft channel, the Crew Games, my other gaming channel. And that's really it. Please leave a like. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell, and have a blessed day.